subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon.
Hello everyone. This is Swiss Manager Essential Training. Part 4. How to input tie breaks. Note that here we are only talking about recommended tie breaks for each type of tournament. But tournament organizers can always change the tie breaks. After the tie break is published, they can't be changed. After you enter the tournament information, go to the tie breaks tab. Here you have a lot of tie breaks to apply. In Swiss Manager you are only allowed 5 tie breaks to enter, but if you need more you can calculate them manually. But in my opinion 5 tie breaks are more than enough to the determination of the final rank. Now let's see what are the recommended tie breaks for each type of tournaments. Individual Swiss tournaments. 1. Direct encounter. 2. The greater number of wins. 3. The greater number of games with black. 4. Bookhalls cut 1. Bookhalls is basically the sum of the points of the opponents in Bookhalls cut 1, the worst single result is deleted. 5. Bookhalls. Sum of the points of the opponents. Go to the link in the description to learn more about the tie breaks system. Next, for the Team Swiss tournament we use 1. Match points or game points. If we paired the tournament according to the game point, we select match point as the first tiebreak. If we paired the tournament according to match point, we select game point as first tiebreak. 2. Results of the team in the same point group according to match point. This is also called direct encounter. 3. Bookhalls cut 1. 4. Bookhalls. 5. Sonneborn Burger. Next, individual round-robin tournaments. 1. Direct encounter. 2. The greater number of wins. 3. Sonneborn Burger. Team round-robin tournaments. 1. Match points or game points. Remember, don't use Bookhalls systems for round-robin tournaments. 2. Direct encounter. 3. Sonneborn Burger. Thank you for watching.